Hey guys, I went to shoot the Dubai Air Show. Unfortunately, I had not carried wide lenses with me. The entire show was captured by using Nikon 7200 and 18600 lens. Because of the focal length limitation, I couldn't capture the display in a proper way. Hence, I have decided to stack the photos to get the result which I wanted. Select all the photos and open in Photoshop. Because of we selected the 1416 photos, there will be time delay to open all the photos in Photoshop based on your system capability. Once all the photos are opened in Photoshop, go to File and select Scripts. And from there, select Statistics. So there will be one pop-up window will be opened and add opened files. And check on Arrange it to automatically aligned and mode will be mean. And hit OK. Photoshop will start to align the selected captures. This process also will take time based on your system capability. If you have a high spec system, the process will be more quicker. Done. So the shapes are aligned by the Photoshop itself. So there will be some collage. So we'll have to crop the picture. Once we crop the picture, we'll start editing. My process of editing style, first clean the picture. I don't know you guys how you are doing it, so I will clean all the distractions from the picture first, and after that I'll go for the color corrections. I'm a very minimal editor, so I'll not do any over editing. So go to so I'll take a camera raw filter and start to adjust the colors and shadows and give a more ambience and vibrance to the picture. This process will, for me, it will take only 2-3 minutes. I'll make sure at the time of the capture, I'll capture by camera itself 80% and 20% on the edit. So done. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.